So first things first for the mastering tutorial is you have to make sure it's -5 to 3 decibels lower. So let's play it. That's enough headroom actually. That's enough headroom. So next, first things first, we're going to bring EQ up. Alright, cool. We're going to use this one and take out up to 50 hertz because we don't need those. Cool, it's coming out of the speakers, it's fine. Next, we're going to bring a reverb in. Reverb. So we're going to cut up to 600. Let's see. Low mids, yeah, because we don't want to hit the mids. 200, 490, 500 is fine. 500, there, and then on tempo. Bypass it. Hall reverb, large hall. Okay, this will be optional. You gotta play with it. Let's try default again and then pull it. Let's try this. I prefer without. So next, we're going to use Maximus. So Maximus has these bands, so we can use this and this. Use these two. Look at it. It's at 200. 270. That's fine. Tag it there. Sure you don't want the lows to be like that. They're very gentle. This is like a distortion curve right here. So this compresses it. So how much? 3 to 3. This is the compressor. Let's try. Okay, cool. So there's that. And next we're going to bring another, let's see, multiband compressor. And then we bring back another EQ. Bring back the highs a bit. So it's really the feel of it. And then we're gonna put the limiter. Fruity limiter, where are you at? Boom. Next we click on stereo wideness as a preset. Alright, so this is my effects chain, and you can download it to try it out for yourself to play with it. So basically, you just go for the feel of it, try to make it as clear as possible. If you don't like it, then just don't use it. Alright, so the download is available on Etsy's link down below, the mastering chain. So it's only gonna be a few bucks to support this channel, and I hope you learned something. So thank you, bye.